Hey there, PCOS warrior. Did you know your ovaries might be messing with your liver too? Yep, you heard that right. If you're dealing with PCOS, you're 4 times more likely to develop something called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. But don't panic, I'm here to break it down for you. From how PCOS and your liver are connected to simple lifestyle tweaks and supplements that can help. I've got you covered. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive into this hidden risk of PCOS that nobody's talking about, but totally should be. So what's the deal with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and PCOS? Well, like I said earlier, if you have PCOS, you are 4 times more likely to develop non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Yep, you heard that right. Recent studies have shown that over half of women with PCOS also have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease compared to less than a third of women without PCOS. It's like these two conditions are best buddies, always hanging out together. So what's going on here? It all comes down to insulin resistance and those pesky androgens, those male hormones. When you have PCOS, your body often struggles with insulin resistance, which can lead to increased fat breakdown in your body. This sends a flood of fatty acids to your liver, causing it to become a bit, fatty. But wait, there's more. The excess androgens in PCOS can make insulin resistance worse and increase belly fat. They also mess with a hormone called adiponectin, which usually helps keep inflammation in check. It's like a domino effect of not so great stuff happening in your body. Don't worry though, there's good news. You can improve both PCOS and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease with some healthy lifestyle habits. Think about incorporating more exercise and a balanced diet into your routine. Plus, certain supplements like berberine, N-acetylcysteine, fish oil, and choline might give you an extra boost. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. All right, so now I want to talk about lifestyle changes to reduce non-alcoholic fatty liver disease risk with PCOS. So let's chat about how you can kick non-alcoholic fatty liver disease to the curb with some simple lifestyle hacks. Trust me, your liver will thank you. My first tip is to get moving. Move that body. Regular exercise is your secret weapon against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days, whether it's a brisk walk, a dance party in your living room, or a swim at the local pool. Find something you enjoy and stick with it. My next tip is eat smart, live well. Your diet plays a huge role in managing both PCOS and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of veggies. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and those tempting late night snacks. And hey, why not try out some Mediterranean-inspired meals? They're not only delicious, but also liver friendly. Tip number 3 is supplement savvy. Right, while a balanced diet is key, some supplements can give you an extra boost. Consider adding these to your routine. Berberine, this natural compound can help with insulin resistance. N-acetylcysteine, it's a powerhouse for liver health. Fish oil, hello omega-3s. Choline, your liver's new best friend. Just remember to chat with your doc before starting any new supplements. And I put a link in the description box of this video of a supplement plan that I recommend to my clients with PCOS. So go ahead and click the link if you want to check it out. Tip number 4 is stress less, sleep more. Always remember the power of rest and relaxation. Chronic stress in your sleep can wreak havoc on your hormones and liver health. Try incorporating some chill out time into your day, maybe meditation, yoga, or just curling up with a good book. Your body and mind will thank you. So now I want to go into more detail about supplements that may help improve non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and PCOS that have been backed by scientific research. So let's chat about some supplements that might give your liver a helping hand. Remember, while these can be beneficial, they're not magic pills. Always pair them with a healthy lifestyle for the best results. So the first supplement is berberine, your liver's new BFF. Ever heard of berberine? This golden yellow compound is like a superhero for your liver. It helps tackle insulin resistance, a common PCOS party crasher, and may reduce fat buildup in your liver. Some studies even suggest it's as effective as the prescription drug metformin. Pretty impressive, right? The next one on my list is N-acetylcysteine, the antioxidant powerhouse. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC for short, is another supplement worth considering. It's a potent antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your liver. Plus, it might even improve insulin sensitivity. Double win. Fish oil, omega-3s to the rescue. You've probably heard of the benefits of omega-3s, and guess what? They're great for your liver too. Fish oil supplements can help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Just think of them as little fish-shaped cheerleaders for your liver health. The next one on my list is choline, the unsung hero. Last but not least, let's talk about choline. This nutrient is crucial for liver function, helps transport fat out of the liver. While you can get it from foods like eggs and chicken liver, a supplement might be helpful if you're not getting enough in your diet. Remember, always chat with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. They can help you determine the right dosage and make sure they're safe for you to take. Your liver will thank you for the extra TLC. And if you're interested in some high quality pharmaceutical grade supplements, I put a link in the description box of this video of a supplement plan that I recommend to my clients with PCOS. So there you have it, ladies, the hidden link between PCOS and fatty liver disease. Pretty wild, right? While it might seem scary, remember you're not powerless here. Making some lifestyle tweaks can go a long way in managing both conditions. Try incorporating more movement into your day, loading up on those liver-loving foods, and maybe even exploring some supplements. With your doctor's okay, of course. The most important thing, don't ignore your health. Stay proactive, listen to your body, and work with your healthcare team. You've got this. With the right approach, you can take charge of your PCOS and keep your liver happy too. The other thing I want to mention is I will recommend a liver cleanse kit to my PCOS clients at times if I feel like it's going to help them. I also recommend it to any of my clients that are looking to lose weight because the liver is the main fat burning organ. It's what helps our body break down fat. And if your liver is congested, which most everyone's liver is congested, even if you eat a healthy diet, because we're being exposed to so many toxins and chemicals every single day in the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the personal care products we put on our skin. So if you're looking to improve the health of your liver, I highly recommend a liver detox. And I'll leave the link to this in the description box below. And I personally do this cleanse a couple times a year, and I recommend it to my clients. A lot of them love it, and they'll do it a couple times a year. It's just something good to do for maintenance, to just make sure your liver is working great. Because if you have a good working liver, you're going to be able to really avoid certain chronic health conditions. And that is what the research is. So again, if you want to check it out, it's in the link below. And lastly, if you feel like you need help with eating a healthy diet and changing your lifestyle habits, I have an online nutrition course that has helped many of my PCOS sisters. It has video lessons, handouts, and so much more so you can lose weight, reduce androgen hormones, start ovulating again, and feel so much better without cutting calories and giving up your favorite foods. I'll put a link in the description box to this as well. My name is Teresa. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a health coach, and I enjoy posting videos about PCOS because it's something that I struggled with for many years of my life. I was able to reverse my PCOS with diet and lifestyle changes, and now my period is completely regular and I ovulate every month. My skin cleared up as well, and I don't get cysts on my ovaries anymore. Subscribe if you want to stay connected with me and see any new videos I post on nutrition to learn how you can achieve your health and wellness goals for muscle gain and weight loss. And if you're a woman dealing with fertility issues, I also specialize in PCOS, endometriosis, and skin issues like acne. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.